students in a series of parameter. Today's topic is parameter of a rectangle. Here is a rectangle, and you know that rectangle has equal opposite sides. That's why a rectangle has length and breadth. So let us find out the formula of parameter. And you know that parameter is equal to sum of all sides. When we will talk about rectangle, the sum of sides mean AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. This AB is length and BC is breadth. AB and CD both are equal. So that's why we will write length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. Length plus length means 2 multiply length plus breadth we can write as 2 multiply breadth. And just take 2 as common, so we will get length plus breadth in the bracket. Now our formula is parameter of rectangle equals to 2 multiply in bracket length plus breadth. So it is a formula which we can find by ourselves. Let us use this formula in a question. Find the parameter of rectangle with dimensions given below. Here are dimensions. Length of rectangle is 8 centimeter. Breadth equals to 5 centimeter. So let us find out. You know that formula of parameter of rectangle is 2 multiply in bracket length plus breadth. I have written length and breadth as L and B respectively. So let us put the values of length and breadth here. So we will write 2 in bracket. Instead of length I will write 8, and instead of breadth I have written 5. So here is 2 in bracket 8 plus 5, and unit is centimeter. So that's why I have written here centimeter. And it is 2 multiply 13 because 8 plus 5 is 13. Now 13 twos are 26. So that's why it is 26 centimeter. Let us take one more question. Here are dimensions. Length equals to 1.5 meter and breadth equals to 70 centimeter. But here length is given into meter and breadth is given into centimeter. So let us make units equal. So what we will do, we can write centimeter into meter also, and you know the conversion. Length equal to 1.5 meter and breadth equal to 0.7 meter. How comes? Why? Dividing by 100. So 70 by 100, that is equal to 0.7 meter. So let us put all the values in this formula. 2 in bracket 1.5 plus 0.7, that is equals to 2 multiply 2.2 meter, and it is 4.4 meter. So easy. Let us do one word problem. Mr. Chopra wants to put a wooden border around a painting. If the length of a painting is 40 centimeter and its breadth is 25 centimeter, what will be the cost of putting the border at rupees 40 per meter? So here a rectangle is given. The painting is in a form of rectangle and dimensions are also given. Length of a painting which is 40 centimeter and breadth of a painting which is 25 centimeter. And because it is a rectangle, so you know that when we will put a wooden border, we are talking about parameter of rectangles, and it is length of wooden border which is equals to parameter, and you know that formula is 2 in bracket length plus breadth. So what is the length? 40. And what is the breadth? 25 centimeter. Let us put all the values here. 2 in bracket 40 plus 25, that is 2 multiply 65 centimeter, and it is 130 centimeter, and I have converted into meter also by dividing by 100, so that is 1.3 meter. Why I have converted into meter? Because if you will see the question, the cost of putting the border at rupees 40 per meter, it is in form of meter. That's why I converted this parameter into meter here. Now cost of 1 meter border equals to rupees 40. So what is the cost of 1.3 meter border? That is 1.3 multiplied by 40, which is equals to rupees 52. So we can say the cost of putting the border will be rupees 52. But what if perimeter is given to you and you need to find out the length or breadth of a rectangle. Let us find out the formula. And it is very easy to make the formula. There is no need to mug up. You can make the formula by yourself. How? You know that perimeter of rectangle equals to 2 multiply length plus breadth. So we can write like this also. Now we need to find out length or breadth. So what we will do, we will transfer this 2 to the opposite side and it will be like this because 2 is in form of multiplication and we will transfer it. It will come as in form of division. So length plus breadth equals to perimeter of rectangle divided by 2. Now if you find out the length of rectangle, what we will do, you will transfer the breadth also towards opposite side, and because breadth is here in form of addition and when we will transfer it, it will become in form of subtraction. So here perimeter of rectangle by 2 minus breadth, and in case if you need to find out breadth of rectangle, you will transfer the length to the opposite side. It means perimeter of rectangle by 2 minus length. So these are the formulas if you need to find out length or breadth of rectangle if perimeter is given and another thing is given to you. So let us do few questions related to this. Here is your first question. Find the length of the rectangle whose perimeter is 34 centimeter and breadth is 8 centimeter. So what are the things which is given to you? One is perimeter of rectangle which is 34 centimeter and breadth is given to you which is 8 centimeter. You need to find out the length and we have already a formula which is for length of rectangle, that is length equal to perimeter of rectangle divided by 2 minus breadth. So let us put all the values, that is 34 by 2 minus 8, and at first we will solve the division part according to the rule of Demas. So 34 by 2 which is equals to 17 minus 8. Now just subtract it, you will get the length of rectangle, that is 9 centimeter. Let us do one more question. Here, find the breadth of the rectangle whose perimeter is 50 millimeter and length is 20 millimeter. Here, perimeter is given to you. Perimeter is 50 millimeter and length is given to you, that is 20 millimeter. And you need to find out the breadth. So the formula for breadth is perimeter of rectangle by 2 minus length. Let us put all the values. 50 by 2 minus 20. At first we will solve this division part. 50 divided by 2 which is equals to 25 minus 20. Let us subtract it and you will get 5 millimeter. So in mathematics what you need to do? Yes, practice, because practice makes perfect. So do practice.